Welcome back, everyone. So I'm really excited to share something different with you. MelodySusie sent me a gift box. Now this gift box I think was more for Thanksgiving, maybe Christmas. I'm not sure, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to purchase these, but I wanted to share with you what they sent me as a gift, and I think it's pretty neat. Last year they did send me a gift box as well. You can see that video in the top right hand corner, and I shared that one, so I want to share this one. It says MelodySusie since 2009, and look at how beautiful the packaging is. I always love their packaging. I've always said that. It's got the blue and then the gold's in there, kind of a champagne gold. So pretty. And then the side, it has blue. The back has more pattern, and the other side and the front. And then it just flips open. So let's take a look and see what I got. I have no idea because I have not looked in here yet. I just received it. So we're just gonna see what the card says. It says, thank you. Make sure my lighting's good here. And it says, Dear Kelman, on this special day, we want to thank you for your ongoing love and support for MelodySusie. We're excited to share our adorable branded merchandise with you. We hope they add a lot of sparkle to your day. Wishing you a joyful Thanksgiving. Warm wishes, the MelodySusie team. How nice. So if I find anything from the box on their site, I will put the links down in the description. And if you could do me a big favor, if you want to buy one of these items, go below my video in the description, find the link, and then click that and go to their site. And if you go to their site and you buy a few items and add them to your cart, then you can use my coupon code, which is up on the screen, or DEL12 to get 12% off. But if you say just go to their site and then do my coupon code, I will not receive any commission, or the small commission I receive. So you have to click the link in my videos in order to do that. Hopefully that made sense. It helps my channel. It helps me for putting these videos up and all the work I do. But just so you know, so there's some cute stickers in here. I shared these in my last video. My last video was their rechargeable new dust collector. That video is in the top right hand corner. It's a good one, so you might want to check that out. So it looks like they've got some branded MelodySusie masks. So these are made of cloth. They're actually really nice though, nice material. There's 5 of those. That's something different. I don't use masks right now, but they do come in handy. And I like that they were individually packaged. Oh, look at this. Looks like we've got some gel polishes. I'm just gonna pull these out and we're gonna look at everything else first, I think, and then we'll do the gel polish. So it looks like we've got some nail art brushes. These ones are MelodySusie. I love their nail art brushes. I use them all the time on clients. They're really good. So let me pull it out. I'll see which ones these are. Oh, okay, nice. So they say MelodySusie, and then we've got the 11mm one, the 20mm, also the 9mm, 7mm, and the 5mm. I'll just open this so you can see it a little better. Put my glove behind them, and then you should be able to see them, but you can get the idea. They're really nice brushes. I love all of their brushes. They're good quality anyway. So going from smaller to the bigger ones here. Hopefully you can see that. Really nice. And some more nail art brushes. Let's take a look at these. Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't even know they have acrylic brushes. I don't use acrylic anymore, but that's nice that they have them. We've got a number 10, a 14, and number 8. And I used to use an 8 or a 10 when I did acrylic. I'll open it so you can see better. That glare of the light is not helping me share these. So you can see better there. Really nice. I like the polka dots. So below, oh, this is nice. I think this is an apron. I'm gonna move the box aside so we can see better. I still gotta share those polishes after. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. It's even heavy. It's just really good quality, I can tell. Oh yeah, it's really nice. It's an apron. How exciting. And of course it says MelodySusie. And we've got, it looks like some pockets so you can put things in there, your e-file. I'm just gonna try and open it up somewhat for you. Oh, I love it. I love the color. Same color as the MelodySusie logo, I guess, and everything, but it's got little gold little accents. And then there are two big pockets. And then up here, I like how they did it up here too with the gold. And then I'm just gonna turn it around for you. So it does up in the middle, and then this part, where is it here? You can tie it around your neck and you can tie it around your waist. So there's 4 cords. Really good quality though. I really like that. Thank you, MelodySusie. Now we're gonna take a look at those polishes. That is really neat. Like, they are so magnetic. It's sticking together. That is neat. Let's see if it says anything on it. Shake gently before using. Apply a thin layer of gel polish on the nails and cure in the nail for 1 minute. LED or 2 minutes in UV. But I could tell they're cat's eye. Let's get them out here and I'll get some swatches. Just gonna grab a scissor. Packaged nicely as always. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see why there's an actual magnet in each polish. That's really nice. Look at these bottles. How beautiful is that? These are really nice. It says Jeweliver gel nail polish. I'm not sure if that's pronounced right. And it's C3108. Let's take a look. Oh, how nice is that? So we're going to swatch it. And then we're going to use that magnet that came with it. So there is one coat, and now I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds and do that second one, and then we can use a magnet on it. So while we're waiting, this is 0.5 fluid ounces, 15 mils, really nice bottle. It's got caution, it's got the ingredients. Okay, now we're going to do that second coat. This is going to be perfect for Christmas nails. I know my clients will like this one. Okay, so now taking the magnet and bring it up here. Okay, I'm just going to do a kind of a line so you can see better. How pretty is that? Really nice. Hopefully you can see it in my camera good. Okay, the next one. Again, I gotta grab my scissor. Again, there's the magnet in the back, which is nice. So if you don't have one, you can have one when you buy one of these. Again, beautiful gel polish bottles. And this one is C40. Let's take a look. Oh, it's really nice. It's a more of a, kind of like a champagne gold one, I think, more than anything. Let's swatch it. Wear it just as a glitter polish. It's so pretty. Second coat. Oops, I've got a hair on there. I'm just going to remove that. There we go. Oh, that one's beautiful. Like, it is so nice for Christmas, for the holiday season. Well, you can see what I'm seeing. So, so pretty. I think this one's my favorite so far. It's really nice. Magnet again, and this one is called C3109. Oh, that's nice. Beautiful red. I thought it was going to be more orange, but it's, I'd say, more red. It's really nice. So pretty, just like that. And then we'll do that second coat. Okay, let's see what this one's going to be like. Oh, that is so, so pretty. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. C01. Oh, okay, it's silver. I wouldn't have guessed that, but that's all right. Let's check it out. Another good one for the holiday season. There's the one coat. That's really nice. It just moves so nice. Doesn't that remind you of like Christmas completely? How pretty is that? Really like this one. Even though it's silver, it is so nice. Just the way the magnetic particles move in it is so pretty. Gosh, I like these. Oh, MelodySusie, thanks so much for the gift box. The cat's eye polishes are absolutely beautiful. The brushes, you can never have too many liner brushes, and even the acrylic brushes are really nice. And the masks are great to have. I love that they're individually packaged, and wow, that apron is such good quality. I'm so thrilled that they thought of me and gave me such a great gift box. And if you want to purchase any of these items, I'll try to have them below. Click that link. And thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see everybody in the next one.